Welcome to Tech Time. From fitness tech to job site gadgets, outdoor gear to wearable wonders, we cover it all. If it's cool, innovative, and techy, we're showing it off. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the future, one gadget at a time. Kicking things off with the Whoop 4.0 Fitness Tracker. If you're all about improving your performance and recovery, this is your new best friend. The Whoop 4.0 tracks everything from heart rate to strain and sleep, giving you tons of personalized insights. It's subscription-based, so you get tailored coaching and recovery tips, and with 5 days of battery life, it's ready for your next workout or Netflix binge. No screen, just sleek tracking. Next, the Garmin VivoActive 5. This smartwatch is loaded with features like advanced heart rate monitoring, built-in GPS, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. The AMOLED display looks stunning, and it even has battery life that lasts up to 8 days. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're into hiking, cycling, or just want a smartwatch that can do it all, this one's perfect for the job. Plus, it has a super clean interface, because no one wants to be overwhelmed by tech. Now for something a bit cooler, Rainio Air 2S XR glasses. These are augmented reality glasses that pack some serious tech without making you look like a sci-fi extra. You get real-time data right in your field of vision, whether it's directions, notifications, or media controls. The sleek design makes them look like regular shades, and with built-in speakers and mics, you can take calls or listen to music without needing any headphones. Wearable AR just got stylish. Say hello to the Oura Ring Gen 3 Horizon. This tiny ring is one of the most stylish ways to track your health. It tracks sleep, activity, and recovery, all with super accurate sensors. And while it's not as flashy as some fitness trackers, it's more than capable of keeping tabs on your heart rate, body temperature, and sleep stages. It's got a sleek titanium design, so you can wear it everywhere, and the battery lasts up to a week. Perfect for minimalists who want data, not bulk. For all the swimmers out there, meet Form Smart Swim 2, your new favorite training buddy. These smart goggles let you track your pace, stroke count, heart rate, and lap times right in the goggles. You get real-time feedback while you swim, and the heads-up display is crystal clear, even underwater. No more stopping to check your watch mid-lap. Whether you're training or just swimming for fun, these goggles keep you in the zone without missing a beat. If you're serious about recovery, you need to check out the Hydrate Normatec 3. This wearable compression system uses dynamic air pressure to help your muscles recover faster, reducing soreness and improving blood flow. Whether it's after a tough workout or just a long day on your feet, the Normatec 3 works its magic. It's portable, easy to use, and feels like a mini massage for your legs, arms, or hips. Say goodbye to sore muscles and hello to quicker recovery. Ready for something a little more therapeutic? The Revo 4-in-1 Smart Cupping Massager combines cupping therapy, heat, vibration, and massage all in one device. Whether you're dealing with tight muscles, stress, or just want to relax, this massager has you covered. The cupping technology helps with circulation and muscle relaxation, and the added heat and vibration really take things to the next level. It's like having a personal massage therapist right at home, minus the awkward small talk. If you've been struggling with sleep, the Manta Pro Sleep Mask is here to help. This mask is designed to block out all light, which can help you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper. It's super comfortable and adjustable, so it won't put pressure on your eyes while you snooze. Made with breathable, cool materials, it's perfect for getting that ultimate rest. Plus, if you're someone who travels a lot, this mask is a game changer for blocking out airplane lights or hotel lamps. For all you DIYers and outdoor adventurers, the DeWalt Wearable Bluetooth speaker is a must-have. This thing clips right onto your clothing, letting you enjoy music or take calls while you work, hands-free. It's built to be tough and loud, so you can hear it even in noisy environments like construction sites. With great sound quality, long battery life, and a rugged design, it's the perfect companion whether you're building your next project or working out in the backyard. The Wildhorn Alta wireless drop-in headphones are an awesome alternative for outdoor enthusiasts. These headphones sit comfortably on your ears without covering them fully, giving you the ability to hear your surroundings while enjoying your music. Whether you're running, biking, or just out on a hike, these headphones keep you connected to both your tunes and the world around you. Lightweight, wireless, and comfortable, these headphones will change the way you enjoy music on the go. The Garmin Fenix 8 is a beast of a multi-sport watch. It's perfect for athletes, adventurers, or anyone who needs a rugged, feature-packed smartwatch. It tracks everything from running and cycling to hiking, swimming, and even skiing. With a solar charging option, the battery lasts up to 22 days, and the built-in maps and GPS are incredibly detailed. If you're outdoorsy and need a watch that can keep up with your every move, the Fenix 8 is your new best friend. Looking for earbuds that actually help you sleep better? Enter the Anchor Sleep A20 earbuds. These are designed to block out noise and deliver soothing sounds to help you drift off. Whether it's white noise, calming music, or sleep-inducing sounds, these earbuds help create the perfect sleep environment. They're lightweight, comfortable, and won't fall out during the night. If you're a light sleeper or you travel often, these earbuds will become your new bedtime buddy. For runners who need extra storage, the USWE Pace Running Vest is a game changer. This vest is built to stay in place while you run, no bouncing or shifting around. It's ultra-light, breathable, and has plenty of room to carry your essentials like water, snacks, and your phone. The hydration system is easy to use and keeps you going without missing a stride. If you're doing long-distance runs or trail running, this vest will make your life way easier. Let's talk Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, because who doesn't love amazing sound and total noise cancellation? These over-ear headphones are perfect for travel, work, or just chilling out at home. They block out distractions like nobody's business, letting you enjoy your music, podcasts, or calls without outside noise creeping in. They're comfy for hours of listening and deliver top-tier audio quality. If you want a no-fuss, premium audio experience, these are definitely worth the investment. Nautica Tailwind. Smart glasses are here to bring some tech to your everyday wear. These stylish glasses feature built-in Bluetooth so you can take calls, listen to music, or get navigation updates without needing to pull out your phone. The lightweight frames are super comfortable, and the sound is crisp enough to enjoy your tunes without blocking out important ambient noise. These glasses are the perfect balance between fashion and functionality. If you're a motorcyclist, the ASMAX F1 motorcycle Bluetooth system is a must-have. This device lets you take calls, listen to music, and communicate with other riders. Everything hands-free so you can keep your focus on the road. The sound quality is clear, even at high speeds, and installation is easy. It's the perfect solution for riders who want to stay connected without compromising safety or concentration on the road. The Hyperis Venom 2. Back wrap is like a mini spa treatment for your back. It combines heat therapy and vibration to help relieve muscle tension and soreness. Whether you're recovering from a workout or dealing with lower back pain after a long day at work, this back wrap helps you feel better fast. The heat is soothing, and the vibration adds a gentle massage effect that makes a world of difference. It's portable, comfy, and the ultimate recovery tool. The higher dose red light therapy mask is the secret to glowing skin and smoother fine lines. This mask uses red light and infrared therapy to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and improve overall skin health. It's a non-invasive, relaxing way to treat your skin without needing a dermatologist. Plus, it's super easy to use at home, so you can get that spa-like facial whenever you want. Glow up time, folks. Want to look stylish and stay connected? The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are here to do just that. With built-in speakers, a microphone, and touch controls, you can take calls, listen to music, and even ask your voice assistant for directions, all without touching your phone. They look just like regular Ray-Bans, but pack some serious tech under the hood. Plus, with the added bonus of high-quality audio, these glasses are perfect for hands-free listening wherever you go. Rounding out our list is the Medical Guardian MG Move, a smart wearable designed for seniors. It's a fitness tracker, but it also includes emergency features like fall detection and 24/7 monitoring. The best part? It's super easy to use. No complicated buttons or screens. It tracks activity, heart rate, and sleep patterns. But if you ever need help, it's got your back with a simple emergency alert system. It's the perfect piece of tech for peace of mind, whether you're at home or out and about. And there you have it. 20 wearable tech items to help you stay ahead of the curve in 2024. Whether you're tracking your fitness, optimizing recovery, or just looking to stay connected in style, these gadgets have got you covered. Drop a comment below and let us know which one caught your eye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cool tech content. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.